Since 1999, the Berkshire Hathaway stock has really not gone up appreciably, whereas gold has gone up multiple times. I don't own your stock for the glamour. I want to earn money. What happened?
Well, I would say this, that when we took over Berkshire, gold was at $20 and Berkshire was at 15. So gold is now at 1,600 and Berkshire's at 120,000. So you can pick different starting periods. Obviously, if you pick anything that's gone up a lot in the last month or year, I mean, it will beat 90% of or 95% of other investments. But the one thing I would bet my life on, essentially, is over a 50-year period, not only will Berkshire do considerably better than gold, but common stocks as a group will do better than gold, and probably farmland will do better than gold. I mean, if you own an ounce of gold now and you caress it for the next 100 years, you'll have an ounce of gold 100 years from now. If you own 100 acres of farmland, you'll also have 100 acres of farmland 100 years from now, and you'll have taken the crops for 100 years and sold them, and presumably bought more farmland with the process. It's very hard for an unproductive investment to beat productive investments over any long period of time, and I recognize that it's very interesting. I can say bonds are no good, and Bernanke still smiles at me, and I can say some stock is no good, and people. But if you say anything negative about gold, I mean it arouses passions with people, which is kind of fascinating, because usually if you thought through something intellectually, it shouldn't really make much difference what people say. It should be the question is whether your facts are right and your reasoning is right. But when you run into people that are really excited about gold, and I came from a family where my dad loved gold, and he was tolerant. He could take a discussion of it. I find many people have trouble with it. Charlie?
Well, I have never had the slightest interest in owning gold. It's a much better life to work with businesses and people engaged in business. I can't imagine a worse crowd to deal with than a bunch of gold bugs.
If you enjoyed this video and you found it useful, don't forget to destroy that like button.
And Hulk. Smash.
And if you want more content just like this, hit subscribe and click on the notification bell if you haven't already for more high-quality content updated regularly.